Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello to you, madam. So today I would like to show to you our assessment tool STA568. Our group consists of 3 people. The first one is Shahrul Ikmal bin Abdul Razak from N4CS2415M1. Me, Anur Aisha binti Muhammad YUSSOF from N4CS2415M2. And our third member is SHAZLINDA binti Abdul Salam from N4CS2415M2 as well. So I will read to you the question. A researcher selected sample from bottled drink at random and obtained the value of bottled drink which given as follow. A. Calculate the point estimate for average and standard deviation of bottled drink volume. So since the question gave us this sample, so I will show to you how to search the mean sample or average sample and standard deviation for sample. And point estimate is a single value given as an estimate of a parameter of a population. So this is the average of point estimate solution. The formula for average of sample size is x bar equal to summation of xi over n. So we sum the value of samples that given in the question over 15 because n is equal to 15, and we got the answer is 31.58. The point estimation is 31.58. Next is the standard deviation for point estimate solution, the standard deviation for the sample. So variance x bar or s squared is the summation of x minus x bar squared over n minus 1. And I substitute all the values needed to the formula over 15 over 1, and I got the variance is 0.7003, but the question want the standard deviation, so I set the variance and got the product 0.8368.
Hi, my name is SHAZLINDA binti Abdul Salam. I will present for question B. For question B, we need to find the 99% confidence interval for the average volume of bottled drink. For this question, we can use the T distribution. Why we use T distribution? Because we have n less than 30 and the population variance is unknown. So for this question, we can use this formula to answer the question. From the question, we can get the information about the sample size, alpha, x bar, and standard deviation. Next, we put all the information that we have in the equation. Then, to find the value of t, we need refer to table 7, page 17 in statistical table. So, for alpha 0.005 and V degree is 14, we can get the value of T is 2.977. So we can get the confidence interval is between 30.9367 and 32.2233. So for the interpretation, 99% confidence interval for the average volume of bottled drink is between 30.9367 and 32.2233. That's all for question B. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shahrul Ikmal bin Abdul Razak. Okay, now let's see the question C. A random sample of 40 objects was selected and had a mean of 50 and standard deviation of S. Assume population is normally distributed. a 95% confidence interval for the population mean obtained from a random sample of size 40 is, this is the given CI, the confidence interval. Calculate the value of S. So the question asks about the S value. We need to find what is the value of S. Okay, now let's see the solution. This is all the given information in the question. N is equal to 40, X bar is equal to 50, S we don't know, and the CI value. The first step, when we need to solve this type of question, we need to identify the type of test, either Z-test or T-test. In this case, we use Z-test. Why Z-test? Number 1, N is equal to 40, which is greater than 30. Number 2, variance is unknown. We don't know the value of variance. The question doesn't provide us the value of variance. Therefore, when these two conditions is fulfilled, we must use the Z-test and apply this type of formula. X bar plus minus Z alpha over 2 S divided by Z N equal to CI. Remember that the question asks CI at 95%, which is we know that alpha is going to be equal to 0.05. Okay, alpha is equal to 0.05. And then we substitute all the information given in the formula. X bar is equal to 50, Z alpha 0.05 over 2, S divided by Z 40, and then equal to CI. And then we also apply all of these steps until here. Okay, so here, how to find the S? How to find the S value? We compare left hand side and right hand side. Okay, remember that there is a symbol plus minus in the formula. So we must apply both of the operation, which is plus and minus. Okay, minus. Minus here and plus. When we do the minus operation, we compare to the right hand side and we get the value of 48.3699. And if we do the plus operation, we get the value of CI is equal to 51.6301. So we do all of the steps, we solve until we get S is equal to 5.2601. Okay, for the minus operation. And we solve for the plus operation until we get S is equal to 5.2601. Therefore, we can make a conclusion. We can conclude that S is equal to 5.2601. So this is the final answer. So I think that's all from our group. Thank you.